Today on World Famous Foods with Mr. Nez, one pan pasta. Let's cook. Okay, so we're gonna brown our ground beef. So we're going to add some garlic powder, onion powder, onions, now we're going to add our chopped garlic. So we just added our homemade marinara sauce. The recipe is in the description, on the bottom of course. Let this cook for a little bit. Add some water. It's better than bouillon. Okay, now we're going to add our noodles to our one pot pasta. Cook this for about 10 minutes per package instructions. Alright folks, our 10 minutes are up. Look at this. World Famous Foods, one pot pasta. Time to plate this. Okay, so gonna add some Parmesan cheese to this. Here we have it folks, World Famous Foods, one pot or pan pasta. See that? Time to enjoy this. Thank you, Shemaine Badlam.